Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat hacked accounts. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat hacked account, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Snapchat app. After that, in this app info you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.